Hello everyone, we're going to be identifying key features of a text. Let's have a look. Now, yesterday, did you see Mr. Commander's fabulous actions, all to do with the great white shark, and did you join in? Well done. Okay, so let's have a quick look here at our key words. Our key words today are key features, vocabulary, purpose and audience. Let's see how they link in. So why do we do anything? We do things for a reason or a purpose. For example, you play football because you enjoy it, or you eat because you're hungry. That's the reason or purpose. So what do you think the purpose of this text is? What do you think? That's right. The purpose of the text might be to tell you all about the great white shark. So it might be an information text. What do we mean by the word audience? Have you heard that word before? The audience is the key person in your writing, as these are the people who you are aiming your work at. So think about the books that you know. Who is the audience? Who is it you're aiming it at? This is the sheet which we're going to be using in our learning today. You should have one of these in your pack. Can you see it? Excellent. Let's take a closer look. Hello again everyone. Now let's have a look at our task for today. Now on your sheet there are 4 boxes. The first one here says I like. So your job here is to write a sentence about something which you like about the great white shark text. I'll tell you one thing which I like about it. I like that the great white shark can weigh as much as 3 tons, which is the same as 3 cars. Can you imagine that? In this box here, it's I dislike, so something which you don't like. Now, I'll tell you what really scares me, and I don't like this at all. I don't like that the great white shark can grow up to 6 meters, because that makes me really scared. In this box here, you've got to be a detective. Do you think you can look at the great white shark text and tell us what you can see in there? Do you think you can see any full stops or capital letters? Think of all the words and punctuation which we've spoken about over the last few months, and then list them in this box. And finally, in this box here, it says, this text reminds me of. What does the great white shark text remind you of? It might remind you of a story, like the Tadpole's Promise. It might remind you of something which you've watched, a story you've been told before. So in here, you can write down what it reminds you of. I'm sure you can do it. I look forward to seeing what you've done. Go for it.